Sit by the bonfire, velvet that drapes over the sky. Talk under the stars, wonder what life be like on Mars. Watch her wide-eyed memories ignite. Hold her real tight, whisper, my child. Seasons will fly by and friends will make you cry. The world will change before your eyes. You'll toast with champagne and make many mistakes that will keep you awake late at night. But know that when the going gets too hard, you'll have me and the stars. Far light years away, does someone gaze at the Milky Way? Dream under the stars, nestled into her father's arms. Does he watch her wide-eyed memories ignite? Holds her real tight, whispers, my child. Seasons will fly by and friends will make you cry. The world will change before your eyes. You'll toast with champagne and make many mistakes that will keep you awake late at night. But know that when the going gets too hard, you'll have me and the stars. Be in the stars. Even if we're miles apart, when you look up at the stars, you're back in my arms, oh my dear. If you raise your children right, they will see you in the sky. Hold their own real tight, say my child. Seasons will fly by and friends will make you cry. The world will change before your eyes. You'll toast with champagne and make many mistakes that will keep you awake late at night. But know that when the going gets too hard, you'll have me at the start.